get your link. So what we did, so what has happened, we are talking about vaccination and active immune response. So in order to understand that how active immune response takes place, we have taken a protein which is present on the surface of SARS-CoV-2. Now that protein is which one? The ORF8. Last day we spoke about it, we did the study. Okay, so what we will do today, we will be using a tool to understand its immune response. Okay, how good it behaves as a vaccine. Okay, so there are plenty of other things, but this is the basic thing that you should know. So this is your tool. Okay, now here you see, now this tool, what it does, it predicts the linear antigenic epitopes. Okay, so this linear antigenic epitope is nothing but this. Okay, linear antigenic epitope is what we should understand. These are nothing but small patches. Okay, small patches on the surface of the protein. It could be here, it could be here, it could be here, it could be even here. Okay, understood? And these are, it could be all. Okay, now these are nothing but linear antigenic epitopes that eventually leads to heightened antigenic response. पूरा प्रोटीन इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, दिए some particular sites are important. Okay, leads to enhanced antigenic response, leading to, again leading to production of memory cells, production of memory cells. Okay, ठीक है? So understood? So what will happen is, we will go here. So what we will do, we will find out what exactly has happened in these areas. Okay, so first of all, we will be clicking on it. This is our tool. Okay, and now we will put our sequence. Okay, so we will be taking our sequence and we will try to see what exactly is the antigenic epitopes. Okay, then we will each one by one we will find out what are the different epitopes. Okay, first we will find out 10 amino acid long, then we will put 16, then we will go to 20. Okay, one by one. So okay, will find it out. Now it is searching for the antigenic epitope. Okay, now it will do some searching thing. It is also a supercomputer. Okay, it do not require your this thing, your computational resource. You just need to have to connect it with the server. Okay, by what we are using a supercomputer, because what it is doing now, through what, a server is nothing but a computer which is connected to a what, network. Okay, why it is taking time? Because it is searching a huge database. Okay, and then trying to find out where exactly the antigenic epitopes are there. The stronger the antigenic epitopes, the good vaccine it will lead to. Okay, this is the idea. So it will take a little time. It will eventually find out your what, your antigenic epitopes.